Hello everybody. Today I want to show you something new. It's new to me. I have never seen this before. Probably it's new to some of you too, but some of you might already know. Me, it's my first time to see it. My first time see it. So that's why I show you. Do you know what is this? Probably some of you knows, some of you might not know this. What is this? Anyway, let me tell you. This is Jicama. It's a vegetable root. It's a very good when you cook. You can use stir fry, soup, and you can make the pickle. If it's fresh, they have a lot of juice. It's sweet. It's a race to keep you from thirsty. You can eat that with just pure skin, and you eat it. But today is my point to show you is not that something different. Okay, let's see. What is that? Have you seen this? It's my first time to see like this pop up the two baby blends here. I know his camera is long time ago since I was a baby. Once I was a little. Also, I eat a lot of his camera. I eat since I was a little too. But that's my first time to see they pop up two rows here, two blends here, young baby. This one probably this come up first, but when I took it out so fast, it knocked out the top. So it's like that, but still you see it's two little blends here on this side. I bought it 2 months ago, and I stuck it in on the floor, but in the corner of a kitchen. So it's been 2 months already. It's still very good, great. When I buy it's fresh, and it's full fresh. It's not like skin wrinkle like this. Now, okay, after 2 months, it's kind of a little wrinkle here, a little not look good looking here, but then it's still very good. And now inside is still good. Yep. Should I blend it or I eat? I want to eat it, so Hicks come out with something today, but when I see this, I'm still thinking, should I eat it or just blend it and so I eat later? Okay. I never blend this. Oh, never mind. I broke it. Look. When I just broke it, so I eat it. I'm going to eat this. Okay, that's my secret. Also, I give you a secret how to keep this long. His camera very long. That's I stuck on the floor. It's on the corner of the kitchen. If you want to keep your fresh Jicama longer than expected, like you can stuck on the corner on the floor. But I try many times to keep Jicama in a refrigerator, but it's last not long, probably a week or so, less than a week. They pop up some kind of weird stuff, and it's no good. If I lay this on the counter, it's last a little longer than in the refrigerator. But to me, I see this when you stuck on the floor, it lasts longer. Next time, I show you my another his camera. I stuck on the floor. It lasts more than a year. It's still very good. It's all there, but not today. I want to show you this one. Don't forget to come back to see my 1 year's his camera. The same thing. The same as the secret. I stuck on the floor. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. I'm going to eat this today. Bye bye. See you.